Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by sorting. Separate whites, colors, and delicates so dyes and fabrics don't ruin each other. Once sorted, check pockets and close zippers. This prevents damage and lint. Add detergent into the designated drawer, measure per load size and soil level because too much causes residue and too little won't clean. Select water temperature based on fabric labels, warm for mixed loads, cold for colors. Now load the drum evenly to maintain balance. You now pick the cycle that matches fabric and soil. Use heavy duty for towels, delicate for lingerie, and quick for small, lightly soiled loads because the machine tailors agitation and time. Adjust spin speed to protect garments. Lower for delicates, higher for towels to extract water. If you need fresher rinsing, enable extra rinse. Make sure the load is balanced. Redistribute large items if the washer vibrates. Once set, press start and monitor the first minute to ensure smooth operation. You remove clothes promptly when the cycle ends to avoid wrinkles and mildew. Shake items out before transferring to dryer or line. Make it a habit to wipe the door gasket and clean detergent drawers after use, and run a monthly maintenance cycle with hot water to clear residues. If the machine is noisy, unbalanced, or won't drain, make sure it's level, check the pump filter and hose for blockages, and then retest. This fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.